Good morning, dear students. As you know that we have read this chapter. Now, today we will do exercise of this chapter. So, turn to page number 30 in your grammar book. You can see here, this is page number 30 in your grammar book. Exercise A is some words are written in the box given below. Look for the pronouns and color them. Use pencil or wax colors only. इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पर कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं बॉक्सेस में और हमें उन्हें देखना है. लुक फॉर द प्रोनाउंस, हमें प्रोनाउंस को देखना है और प्रोनाउंस को ही कलर करना है. आप पेंसिल कलर या फिर वैक्स कलर्स का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? Look at here, this is the word written here, keys. Keys is a pronoun? No, it's not a pronoun. Water, it. You know, I have colored it. You have to use pencil or wax color and you can color with your own choice, okay, of your own choice. So, color the word it because it is a pronoun. Remote, box, these are not pronouns, so we do not color them. They is a pronoun, so I have colored here. You also color it and color the whole box, not like this, okay? This is for example only. I am showing you. Door, window, glass, these are not pronouns. Hers is a pronoun. Books, her, color the word here, her. Field, they is a pronoun. Chalk, this is not a pronoun. Ours is a pronoun and you have to color this word, okay? Color this word. Pencil, this is not a pronoun. Us, wall, sky, color this word. B is a pronoun. Ours is a pronoun, okay. Stars, this is not a pronoun. Theirs and its, these are pronouns, so color these words. I hope you have understood. बेटा आप कोई सा भी कलर कर सकते हैं, अपनी चॉइस का कलर, ओके. और जिन वर्ड्स पे मैंने कलर किया है उन्हीं पर करना है. इट, ओके, प्रोनाउंस पे कलर करना है, ना कि वर्ड्स पर. इट, दे, हर्स, हर, दे, आवर्स, अस, बी, आवर्स, देयर्स एंड इट्स. कलर दीज वर्ड्स. This is your exercise number B. Read the following conversation and circle the pronouns. You know, I have circled here before because I don't want to take your too much time. That's why I have done it. Now I will explain you why I did so. Where are you going today? Here the pronoun is you. I have circled it. I am going to circus. I is a pronoun. Okay. What a pretty frock you have worn. You is a pronoun. Thank you. Are you not going with your parents? No, they are not in town. I am going with my uncle and auntie. Is Pappu going with you? He has gone with my parents. Did you ask Meeta to come along with you? Yes, but she refused. Some of her relatives are coming over. Here you can see that in these sentences I have circled the pronouns. Okay? You also circle the pronouns. And also mention here today's classwork and what is today's date. You will mention here. Now let's move to the next exercise. Exercise number C. Read the following paragraph carefully. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Rekha is living with her father. हमें इस पैराग्राफ को पढ़ना है बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से, फिर हमें सूटेबल प्रोनाउंस को राइट करना है। ओके। रेखा इज लिविंग विद हर फादर, मदर एंड ब्रदर। चंदू, रेखा किसके साथ रहती है? अपने पिताजी के साथ, अपनी मम्मा के साथ एंड अपने भाई चंदू के साथ। आई हैव यूज्ड हियर प्रोनाउन दे बिकॉज दे इज यूज फॉर चंदू, मदर, फादर एंड रेखा। अब भी क्या कर रहे हैं? वे जा रहे हैं। दे आर गोइंग टू पिंकीज बर्थडे पार्टी। वे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पिंकी की बर्थडे पार्टी में। आई कैन राइट हियर रेखा, हर फादर एंड मदर एंड हर ब्रदर are going to Pinky's birthday party, but we are not writing here nouns. We will write here suitable pronoun. Okay. Rekha is very happy as she can play with all her friends. Here I have used she for Rekha. Okay. रेखा बहुत खुश है क्योंकि वह किससे मिलने वाली है? अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलने वाली है और मिलने वाली है। I have used here her for रेखा, उसके फ्रेंड से। So she has bought a very beautiful gift for her. इसीलिए उसने बहुत ही प्यारा सा गिफ्ट उसके लिए लिया है। किसके लिए? For Pinky. Okay. I have used here her for Pinky. चंदू is not happy because. चंदू क्यों हैप्पी नहीं है? Because I have used here he for Chandu. He was not given the toy. क्योंकि उसे टॉय नहीं दिया गया। At last they played and celebrated the occasion. अंत में क्या करते हैं? वो खेलते हैं और ओकेजन को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। I have used here they for Rekha and Chandu. The next exercise is exercise D. Fill in the blanks using the suitable pronouns. One has been done for you. I have a pet dog and its name is Jackie. Here, its is used for dog. इसका नाम क्या है? Jackie. किसका नाम? Doggy का नाम। Sheila plays on the harmonium. She is good at singing. Sheila क्या प्ले करती है? हारमोनियम प्ले करती है। शी इज़ गुड एट सिंगिंग। वह किस में गुड है? सिंगिंग में। आई हैव यूज्ड हियर द प्रोनाउन शी फॉर शीला बिकॉज वी कांट यूज ही फॉर फीमेल। बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आर प्लेइंग इन द फील्ड। दे आर फीलिंग टायर्ड। बॉयज और गर्ल्स फील्ड में खेल रहे हैं। अब वो कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं? खेलकर थका हुआ। They are feeling tired. Who are feeling tired? The boys and the girls. I have used here they for boys and girls. Number 4 is Mr. Bose is a gentleman. He is never late in reaching his office. Okay. He is. I have used he for Bose and his also. The cow is domestic animal. We get milk from it. It is used for, yes, tell me, for cow. Chandu has a robot. It works nicely. It is used for Chandu or robot? Can you tell me? Yes, for robot. It is used for robot. Use mine, her, hers, his, yours, theirs, his. One has been done for you. अब हमें pronouns mine, her, hers, his, yours, theirs and his का यूज़ करना है। एक आपके लिए किया हुआ है। Do you know I am very worried today because I have lost the most expensive pen. The pen was not Ram's but mine. Here, क्या आप जानते हैं कि मैं आज बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अपना फ़ोन बहुत महंगा पेन खो दिया। दैट पेन इज़ यूज्ड फॉर, उस पेन के लिए यूज हुआ है दैट आई हैव लॉस्ट। ओके। दैट पेन वॉज नॉट राम्स। वह पेन राम का नहीं था, वो किसका था? मेरा था। Shruti has many friends. One of her friends is not well. They are the Guptas. This house is theirs. Okay. This is your whole exercise. You can see here. Now I am reading only, and watch and do this exercise in your book with me. 3. They are the Guptas. This house is theirs. Anshul is very happy. Now write the pronoun his. His main aim is to make others laugh. Anshul is very funny. She is Dolly. This doll is hers. Raju is a good student. His father is a teacher. Hari has completed his work. Rajni has kept her books in the cupboard. You are Pinku. I think this pen is yours. Don't write your. You will write yours. Okay? Y-O-U-R-S. The pot you saw earlier was mine. जो पॉट तुमने अभी जल्दी में देखा था वो मेरा था. Now you can see this and do the whole exercise in your book. Thank you.